Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Game 1 of the NBA Playoffs Eastern Conference Finals, May 20, 2026. Jalen Brunson leads Knicks back from 22 down in the fourth for 115-104 win over the Cavs in overtime in Game 1. Jalen Brunson sparked one of the NBA's greatest postseason comeback, a rally from a 22-point deficit in the fourth quarter and finished with 38 points as the New York Knicks beat the Cleveland Cavaliers in overtime in Game 1 of the Eastern Conference Finals. Mikal Bridges added 18 points and 3 Knicks scored 13, including OG Anunoby who came on late after struggling most of the way in his return after missing 2 games with a strained right hamstring. Donovan Mitchell scored 29 points for the Cavaliers, who seemed well on their way to the third road win before their late collapse. The Knicks outscored them 44-11 after their 93-71 lead. Evan Mobley had 15 points and 14 rebounds for the Cavs. Harden also scored 15 points but was just 1 for 8 on three-pointers and had more turnovers, 6, than field goals of 5. After a record-setting run through the first 2 rounds, the Knicks were going nowhere for 40 minutes against the Cavs, trailing 93-71 with 7 minutes and 52 seconds to play. But Bronson relentlessly attacked James Harden to spark an 18-1 run that made it a ball game, and he tied it at 101 all on a basket with 19 seconds remaining in regulations. The Knicks then opened overtime with a non-zero run as a delirious crowd and Madison Square Garden danced and screamed in the aisles. The Knicks moved within 3 wins of their first NBA Finals appearance since 1999. In this game, the Knicks shot 42 of 88 or 48% from the field while limiting the Cavs to just 36 of 20 or 40%. They had a total of 47 rebounds, 20 assists, 17 turnovers, 10 steals, and 2 blocks. Let's proceed to the Western Conference Finals. Game is scheduled on May 21, 2026. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and Oklahoma City Thunder will try to even their series against Victor Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs as they met in Game 2 in Paycom Center at 8:30 a.m. Philippine time or 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. Let's proceed to the NBA Conference Final Series standings as of May 20, 2026. Let's start with the Eastern Conference. The New York Knicks leads their series against Cleveland Cavaliers 1-0. And for the Western Conference, the San Antonio Spurs leads their series against Oklahoma City Thunder 1-0.